Tinnitus Relief Sounds. How to eliminate tinnitus in 3 days. In your search for an effective tinnitus cure, you will come across many people saying that it can't be done, but you will also find remedies that have worked for some but not for others. And one of the more effective options that are successfully helping people to overcome tinnitus right now is tinnitus healing music or sound therapy. Tinnitus remedies are never a one-size-fits-all type of deal, which is why it's important to have the valuable knowledge of all possible ways to cure it depending on the cause, and on a person-by-person basis. And this is why we will be giving away our free all-natural tinnitus remedies ebook. This book will explain to you what treatments to use to finally become tinnitus-free forever. So just keep watching till the end of this short video to get access to our free tinnitus remedies guide. Here are some well-known ways to stop tinnitus. There are many ways for treating tinnitus available to choose from. And some of the most noteworthy ones include hypnosis, supplements, vitamins, sound therapy, and even self-help techniques. There are even devices that emit sound waves designed to counteract the debilitating effects of tinnitus. On the other hand, a large number of people are of the belief that there is no real treatment for tinnitus, and that most of the ones that are easily found are just stopgap measures at best. However, the research is showing that there are many people who have been cured of tinnitus without any noticeable nor harmful side effects. One of the more interesting ideas in recent years is the implementation of tinnitus sound therapy, which is said to be an effective means of curing tinnitus completely. Tinnitus sound therapy, as explained by the experts, utilizes different kinds of sounds to reprogram the brain, in order to retune the hearing range and block out the ringing sounds that are the main symptoms of tinnitus. This is mostly done by listening to a series of predetermined sounds through high-quality headphones or earphones. These sounds or healing music usually consist of clicks and pauses, and may include elaborate audio patterns such as jungle drums or bird chirps. The frequencies of these particular sounds will retrain both the ears and the brain, effectively tuning out tinnitus. Most tinnitus sound therapy treatments are generic and come in CDs, but there are custom ones that can be created from scenarios that a user prepares. This is especially useful since different people may show varying levels of success depending on the kind of sound themes used. For instance, one person may show favorable results when exposed to nature-themed sounds such as chirping birds and droplets of water, while another person may react more positively to audio samples composed of snippets from classical music. Do you now see why it has been difficult to provide a universally accepted tinnitus cure? Essentially, it has to be tailor-made for each individual. But for the tinnitus sufferer, these cures are very much worth pursuing, and they will try anything to get lasting relief. How long does it take to work? Some people claim that they have received relief from this type of sound treatment in a minimum of just a couple of weeks. Others claim to have taken more time, as long as around 3 to 5 months. Regardless of the span of time it took, if you are serious with tinnitus healing music and sound therapy, you should continually listen to the sounds you have chosen every single day and even at night. This will help in keeping the tinnitus at bay. The perfect time to engage in sound therapy is while you are lying on your bed. In this way, you will not be distracted from the other activities and your brain will be in the perfect relaxed state of mind to get the full benefits of the healing effects. Studies have shown that your brain is able to register and learn subconsciously whilst asleep. This has already been proved with things such as studying for a test or learning a new language. This gives sound therapy while you are asleep a great possibility of working. Sound therapy isn't for everybody, and we know this because there are people who have tried it without getting any relief. And for those people, their body required a different type of remedy, and there is always something that will work for everyone. If you would like to know exactly what to do to eliminate tinnitus forever in the most natural way possible, and relieve stress without any harmful side effects, download our free all-natural and herbal tinnitus remedies book by clicking the link in the description below. Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss more videos with tips to help you get rid of tinnitus and more. And we'll see you in the next video.